As the first step, please make sure you have already registered for Phantom RVM. If you haven't registered yet, please refer to our YouTube or Vimeo channels and watch the How to Hire Phantom RVM video. Then, you must visit our website, sas2.co. Once there, you must click on Login Register button on top. You will be redirected to our Apps Manager website. Now, you will see a form where you can log in or register, given the case. After login, you will be redirected to your account manager. On the top bar menu, you will see different tabs. Please click on My Products tab. Here, you will see all the products you have hired with us. Find your RVM tab, and click on Add Funds button. A new window will come up. Here, you should enter the amount wanted to be added to your RVM account. Once you are done, click on Add to Cart button. You will be taken to your cart, where you can review what you are going to pay for. If everything is okay, please click on Proceed to Checkout button. Now, you will have to fill all the fields out, with all your details such as billing address and payment method. Please note that this is going to be a one-time process. This info will be saved, so next time orders can be processed faster. Once that's done, click on Place Order button. You will receive an email notification providing you with all your order details. You can also check that information at your account details. For this, you should go to the upper right corner where your name is, and click on My Account. From there, you will see different tabs such as Billing Address, My Order and Payment Methods. And that's all you need to add funds to your Phantom RVM account. Thanks for watching.